Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect WhatsApp web on your Android and iPhone. Alright, let's begin. Now, I will show you the process on Android, but you have to follow the exact steps on iPhone in order to do this. So let's start. First, open the Google Chrome browser and type web.whatsapp.com. Once you typed, you will be on this page of WhatsApp. Now, in order to get QR code on your phone, what you have to do is tap on three dots at the top right, and if you are on iPhone, it will be on bottom right. Once you tap on that, a menu will pop up, and inside menu, you have to click on this option where it says desktop site. Once you do this, you'll see the same version of WhatsApp web that you'd see on a desktop. You will see the QR code, and you just have to scan this. So, open WhatsApp on your phone. On WhatsApp web, you will see a QR code. This is used to link your phone. Scan this QR code with your WhatsApp mobile app. Now, you can access your WhatsApp messages, including voice messages, directly from within your browser using WhatsApp web. Make sure both your mobile phone and the one with the WhatsApp application are in your hand. So that's basically how you can connect WhatsApp web on your Android and iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.